Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us see a very simple and quick snacks recipe, bread bites. For this I am going to use 4 bread slices. I am using wheat bread here and you can use any type of bread. Next, grate some mozzarella cheese and keep it ready. Cheese is ready. Now let us spread this on the bread. Spread some chili flakes over this and some oregano. Close them tight with another slice of bread. This should not come out, so press this tight and cut them into pieces. If we cook like this, the cheese will definitely come out, so we are going to give some coating for this. For the coating, I am going to use corn flour here, so 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Add enough water and make a thin batter. The batter is ready. Now let us coat the bread. Make sure all the sides are coated well. Now roll it on the breadcrumbs and make sure it is perfectly coated. If you don't have breadcrumbs, just toast the bread, powder it and use it. And the one more option is you can powder the rusk and use it instead of breadcrumbs. So our bread pieces are ready. Now spread some ghee on a hot tawa. Here we are going to toast the bread pieces, and if you want to deep fry, you can also do that. Turn all the sides and cook properly until it is golden brown. If you want, you can add some more ghee. So here our bread bites are ready, we can take it out. This you can do it very quick, like 10 minutes, but the kids will definitely love it. Our cheesy bread bites are ready. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.